Hi, Bruno here. Welcome to Spainguru.
Do both partners become tax residents in Spain if one applies for a Spanish non-lucrative visa or NLV while married?
Now let's see the answers of Spainguru community members.
First answer, you might find it difficult for the first year renewal as you have to show you have spent 6 months in Spain for the whole year, which would mean you could be a tax resident. Check if your country has a tax treaty and then you may have to pay a top-up tax in Spain instead of the whole amount. You need a tax accountant that has good knowledge of both countries. Next answer. Unless the non-resident partner can show a tax residency certificate and proof of 183 days in that other country. Next answer. Tax residency is when a person spends 183 days in Spain. It is nothing to do with what visa, etc. you might have. Next answer. If the other partner doesn't move to Spain, they won't become a tax resident. Next answer. Yes, if you're both on non-lucrative visa, as you have to be a tax resident to keep the non-lucrative visa. Next answer. If you're a dependent on your spouse's non-lucrative visa and have not been in the country for less than 180 days, otherwise it's 90 days in every 180 days you'd be allowed to stay unless you are EU citizen. You will need to file in both countries according to the tax treaties that prevent double taxation. Next answer. Tax is the most important thing in Spain and collecting it is their priority. Next answer. You both have to have NLVs in order to live in Spain. If only one of you has an NLV, you cannot both live in Spain. With a non-lucrative visa, you can only be out of Spain for a total of 10 months during the first 5 years and no more than 6 months at one time. You will be a tax resident since you will be in Spain for more than 183 days a year. Next answer. Yes, because both partners have to apply as a family and separately. Next answer. Probably. It is not automatically true, but it would take an unusual set of circumstances to not both be tax residents. Spain would make an assumption that you were both tax residents and you would need to demonstrate why one of you isn't. Shakira, the singer, tried and failed, so be careful.
And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. In conclusion, according to Spainguru's Facebook group members,
when one partner applies for a non-lucrative visa or NLV in Spain, both partners may become tax residents in Spain. Tax residency is determined by spending at least 183 days in the country, among other requirements. It is important to consider tax treaties between Spain and the home country to understand the tax implications. Seeking guidance from a knowledgeable tax expert who understands both countries' tax regulations is recommended. Compliance with tax obligations in both countries is crucial to avoid double taxation.
Join Spainguru's community today. You can join our general Spanish immigration group and our dedicated groups for Spanish non-lucrative visa and Spanish digital nomad visa. Our groups together have more than 30,000 members. If you need expert professional advice, we got you covered. Just head to spainguru.es and check out our top menu. You'll find immigration experts, relocation agencies, tax advisors for Spanish and US filings, sworn translators, apostille services, consulate appointment services, and health insurance providers for all types of Spanish visa applications. That includes non-lucrative visa, golden visas, student visas, and digital nomad visas, as well as medical certificates for visa applications and travel health insurance. Finally, I highly recommend you join our weekly newsletter, which we send out every single Monday morning. You'll get tons of information, questions and answers, feature blog posts, and news updates. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.